Hello everyone, greetings from Eyespecs.com.
We'll be taking a look at this Tom Ford model, Milena TF343 in color code 56F. It's a Havana ivory color frame. On the temples here we have a gold Tom Ford emblem, as well on the temple tip over here. This is the inside of the frame. This frame is made in Italy. The other side of the temple is the same. The lenses are a brown grading color, and on the top left lens we have a Tom Ford logo engraved. The style of the frame is fashion butterfly. Up here we have a Tom Ford gift box, a case to put glasses in, a microfiber cleaning cloth, an authenticity card, and a manufacturer booklet.
Thank you for watching. If you want to check out these frames, make sure to check out Eyespecs.com and have a joyful day.